Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys, at kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, i-share ko sa inyo guys ang napakagandang history at saka mga informasyon tungkol sa baryang ito guys ng Belgium, ang 20 francs na mayroong taon na 1982. The 1982 Belgian 20 francs coins features the following characteristics. Obverse, a left-facing portrait of King Baudouin I, with the designer's name Elstrom inscribed below, flanked by the mint mark and Freiby mark. The reverse design, the denomination 20F, is displayed above a stylized olive branch with the legend Belgique or Belgique, French for Belgium, above and the year 1982 below, with the composition of nickel, brass, and alloy, weighing or weight 8.5 grams, diameters 25.65 millimeters, where a mintage of 54 million coins were produced in 1982. These coins were part of Belgium's standard circulation from 1980 to 1993 and were demonetized on February 28, 2002 following the adoption of the euro. It's important to note that the Belgium issued 20 francs coins with the legend in both French Belgique or Belgique and Dutch Belgique to accommodate its bilingual population. The 1982 coin you're referring to bears the French legend. In terms of value, these coins are relatively common among collectors. As of recent data, a 1982 20 francs coin in uncirculated condition is valued of approximately $0.86 US. For the detailed information, you can refer to the numismatic catalog entry for these coins. At mayroon tayong nakadisplay guys dito sa ating selling online sa eBay ng umaabot sa 754 pesos and 85 centavos hanggang 4,296 pesos and 76 centavos. So yun guys, ang napakagandang mga informasyon tungkol dito sa ating barya, ang 20 francs ng Belgium na mayroong taon na 1982. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.